Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about an extension from what we talked about last time. Now, I had pretty good reviews on my channel about the photospheres and how to use Google Street Maps and whatnot. And when you click in there, you can see you got this 360 panoramic view of all sorts of items, all sorts of places. If you haven't checked it out, check the link in the description, and that'll be in there. But going back into expanding on that, we're going to go into YouTube and how to use 360 VR content for the classroom. And all I did is I did a search on YouTube for 360 VR geography, and here when you click on these videos, you get some amazing content. Some content you kind of have to vet out for yourself, and this is something that if you want, you should create a playlist with or just links to these videos in maybe a Google Classroom or something like that. As you take in here, we've got 360 VR history, we've got gladiators, American Revolution. To take a look at this, we're going to click on here. As you get started in the VR, there's a couple ways on how to run this, and one is you can click and drag throughout this video window, and I'm going to put it on mute. And as this is going, it'll probably get lighter here. I'll skip ahead. In here, it depended upon the quality of the camera that was used to record this. Oh, this guy got fancy and added some embedded content in here. And as you click and drag around here, you might see people. You might see. Here we go. Here we got some soldiers coming through. Kind of neat to interact, and as you move around with them, you can see how that goes through. And I'm going to click to pause that. If you want to change the settings, if it's really kind of coughing in terms of bandwidth and it's not running smoothly, you could lower it to a lower bandwidth. If bandwidth's not an issue, you can certainly go higher. Now, what does this look like on a mobile device? If you put Google goggles on with a mobile device like an iPhone or Android phone, you're going to be able to put that into those Google goggle. Sometimes it costs like $5, sometimes it costs more. But as you move around, you can literally see in all directions, up, down, and all around you with that VR content. Same content that you're seeing here. The only difference is on your mobile device, you would see a goggle icon down here. Now, in addition to moving this image by clicking and dragging, up in the upper left-hand corner of each VR video, you'll see this control toggle to where you can move up, down, pan, left, right. And as I'm clicking on here, I just click. You can click and hold, or you can just tap, and it will move it, at small intervals throughout there. You can't zoom in because it's a video-based option, but as I click to play this, it'll continue to load and go through there. Taking a look at other genres before we go any further, we've got health, tons of things for health. VR math. This is especially cool as you get into some geometry items. This is the science. Here's Shakespeare, 360 Shakespeare. And then here's space, one of my favorites. And then getting into geography. And I think this is Mount Everest. Climb to Mount Everest. And then this is actually Rapid City area. This is Mount Rushmore. With that said, if you have any questions on accessing into this VR content, let me know. If you want to know how to put it into like a VR goggle type of thing and you get a set of goggles, let me know, and I'd be happy to help with that too. As always, please make sure that you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe to my channel, make sure you hit the notification bell. That way you're notified when new content is put out. Thanks for watching so much, and have a great rest of the day.